Okay guys, this might be one of the most expensive and stupidest overpriced collectors or slash limited item I've ever purchased. And again, it's a fucking, I'm not gonna say it's not overpriced, it's fucking super overpriced, but it's a limited item, so, and I'm a kind of a collector junkie, and today we are going to be taking a look at one of the most stupidly overpriced collector's edition item I've ever bought. We're going to be checking out the Yeston 6800 RX graphics card. Okay, so this one is going to be a bit different. GPU market at the moment is kind of messed up. So yeah, no, don't buy this. This is stupidly expensive unless you like collector stuff like me. But if you're just looking for a graphics card, this is stupidly overpriced. And I bought it just because it's a collector's thing. And, you know, I gotta thank Mr. Steve Burke, aka Gamers Nexus.
Thanks, Steve.
For bringing this one to the public's attention. And now I got myself the waifu graphics card. So we are unboxing it. We're gonna be checking it out, see if it's a legit card, because we have to do that now, unfortunately, because people are going to be taking advantage. Honestly, the packaging is nice. It's holy shit. Alright, this packaging is super nice. Like, there's this thing here. I don't know what this is called, like a thin plastic coat or a thin sleeve. And you can just remove it. Holy shit, that's nice, I'll keep that. Then, let's see, open up here. Oof, there it is. God damn. You got the stickers. And the graphics card itself. So I'm gonna safely assume, ooh, it's nice. The construction is pretty solid, I'd say. The peel in here. White PCB. Look at that. I don't know if this is painted. Okay. Okay, so it's not a sticker. It's actually painted in. That's not bad. Hold on. Yeah, it's actually, it's not just a sticker. Damn, that's nice. Alright, as far as unboxing experience goes, it's fairly clean. And there's a faint smell. I don't know if it's as strong as Steve says, but Okay, now I smell it. It comes out after you like kind of take out this. Oh, it's an LED thing. Okay, okay. So where do you plug this in then? Okay, there it is. So it has an LED. Looks like it's ARGB. There's an ARGB connector here. You have your 8-pin. Let's see, what else? Yeah, that's about it. The features of the card itself. Again, I'm not gonna go through the benchmarks and everything. Mr. Burke already went through that, so yeah, I'll let him do that. So unboxing experiences goes, let's see. So it has the GPU itself. The manual quick start guide is here, and I think it should have. Okay, so that's about it. That's a pretty clean unboxing. Clean packaging overall. So let's set it up on my PC and see how it goes. Alright, so just for context as well, this is my current graphics card that I'm using. This is the Ventus 3090 for sizing context. This has got to be one of the largest graphics card for NVIDIA. Like, I think there's Supreme X as well, but I don't have that. I only have the Ventus 3X OC edition. This is the size of the Sakura one. They're, holy shit. This is only a 6800. Not even an XT, 6800. Look at the size. Let's do a side by side over there. Even the thickness is not that, like, holy shit. The Sakura card is, yeah. The Sakura card is huge. Like, look at that. God dang. So yeah, it's not a small card. If you want to size, again, this is a 3090. This is a 6800. So let's examine the PCB. So you can see the PCB here. Yeah, even the PCB size is the same. Like, so look at the, it's about the same actually. Or no, holy shit. Is it? Yeah, it's the same. PCB sizes are the same. That's crazy. So just to give you context, this is a huge card. Okay, so now we have the card installed. So again, it requires 8+8 power connectors. Also, it has a ARGB connector here. So I plugged it into my workstation. Let's see how it goes. Super pretty. Let's see if it boots. And there it is. Sweet. So I'm not gonna do like a proper capture. Again, you can check out Gamers Nexus video on that. sorry. Let me adjusting the camera. Oh, all right, so resolution is expected. It's a all right, there you go. All right. Oops. Let's close Ada 64. Okay. Let's see. Come on. Let's do a quick hardware info check just to make sure it's a legit card. Summary only. Oops. Huh. This is odd, actually. Radeon 6800. It's not like a. It doesn't say fake. So let's investigate it further. Again, don't buy this card. It's stupidly overpriced for what it is. It's like a 6800. So I wouldn't recommend buying this card at all. Like, it's massively overpriced first and foremost, but you know what? Let's DDU and we'll be back after I install the drivers. Alright, so we are going to be running a bunch of, we're just going to be running, not a bunch, but we're running like 3 to 4 tests for this particular GPU. Again, apparently the 6800, not the XT version, is pretty rare. Most of the ones on the street is just it's mostly the XT version. So we'll run firmark, just a bench check, or not just a validator. I already did a validation using CPU-Z, so let's show you that. I already checked it with the GPU-Z, so it's not like a fake card. Let's zoom in. There you go. It's not a fake card. It's a real card. I installed the official Radeon AMD drivers for it, Navi, yada yada. The one I am wondering about is on hardware info. On hardware info, it does. Yeah, what is this little marker for? It's super weird, but okay. Okay, we're going to be checking that out, and we'll run a couple of benchmarks, and happy to report back. It's not going to be like, again, super technical. I'm not going to be comparing with anything. It's more for validation to make sure the card is working. It's a good idea to do it each time you get a new card, but again, I'm not a tech YouTuber. I just like, collect rare collector's items. So I gotta thank Mr. Steve Burke from Gamers Nexus for bringing this to the public's attention that these kinds of cards exist. And now I am gonna buy. I bought one just because it's a rare collector's edition. So again, thanks, Steve.
Thanks, Steve.
All right, we'll be back in a bit, and we're gonna be running a bunch of tests. Okay, in conclusion, don't buy this card. It's ridiculously expensive for what it is. I mean, aesthetically, it's one of the most best looking card out there, especially if you're going for a white build. If you are going to do a vertical mount, the fans are super impressive. It looks super nice. It looks really premium. But if you are like, again, if that's more for the aesthetics, again, if you don't mind the waifu card, or if you don't mind like the picture, like, yeah, I mean, again, it's like the weeb card. So, I mean, if you're mounting it vertically, so you'll only see the fan, essentially the backplate is hidden, like it's super nice. Like, it's really nice. It's really amazing when it comes to aesthetics, and that's how far it goes. In terms of performance, you can see the benchmark for the 6800 on other tech YouTubers. I am not a tech YouTuber, I'm more of a collector. So again, the only people that will I can recommend this to are for like crazy people that's like okay with paying overpriced graphics cards, or collectors. But again, I wish they did this for Nvidia, like these kinds of cards, like with the unique design. If they do, I will probably get it, but as it is, like, this is one of the best looking cards, honestly, that I've ever seen. Again, looks are subjective, and I kind of, and especially with how I set up my concurrent unit, like the GPU is vertically mounted, so you won't even get to see the waifu on the back plate. Like, you just see the fans, and the fans is really nicely designed. Alright, that is it. And thanks, and yeah, follow me on all the social medias. I'll put it somewhere here, if you can. Yeah, see you later.